Welcome to Lanoguard. This video will guide you through how to prep your vehicle for application, how to apply the Moto grease, how to apply the Moto spray, and your post-treatment regime. Preparation. Clear the area to be treated and remove any unsound surfaces like rust or flaky laminating. A good jet wash will usually do the trick, but wire brushing and wiping should be fine too. Lanoguard can be applied over sound and stable surface rust, as well as over previous undersill coatings or treatments. There is no need to mask up any rubbers or plastics or to convert rust, though you can if you wish, and Lanoguard is fine on electrics, exhausts, engine bays, etc. too. If you are applying Lanoguard to a very highly rusted vehicle, we sometimes recommend a two-step approach whereby you spray the whole underbody, leave it for 2 months to seep underneath the rust and push off the worst of the oxidation. You can then repeat as normal with a regular Lanoguard treatment. Applying the Moto grease. Apply the Lanoguard grease to any areas very vulnerable to high corrosion or seizing up. This includes weld seams, nuts and bolts, sharp edges and threads. The grease is easiest to apply if slightly warmed and brushed on with a paintbrush, and it can be warmed up and cooled down as many times as you like. Warm it up in a bowl of hot water. Our grease works excellently as a build grease and anti-seize grease due to its non-evaporative properties. After application, it's a great versatile product to leave in the garage or workshop for any future maintenance needs. Applying the Moto spray. Use one of our trigger sprayer sets or pressure sprayer applicators to apply our spray to the whole underbody, chassis or areas you'd like to protect. Our spray can be used on all metals, rubbers, plastics, electrical components without worry. Just avoid brake discs and brake pads. Everything else, just spray away. Lanoguard spray is very versatile too and can be used anywhere you might want rust prevention, waterproofing or lubrication. As well as being ideal for vehicle underbodies, it can easily be applied to boats, garden equipment, caravans, touring vehicles and fundamentally any machinery or vehicles prone to rust. Using the Injector wand. If your kit includes the Injector wand, this can be attached to your sprayer and is used to coat the insides of any box sections or sills you would like protected. Simply insert the wand into the section as far as you can and then slowly pull it out while using the trigger sprayer. Post-treatment. It's best to leave your vehicle or machinery at least 24 hours before use. Lanoguard will take up to a week to fully cure to a candle-like texture. It will be dry to the touch, but you'll be able to feel it's there doing its job. It never fully cures or dries, and this is a vital property to ensure it is non-evaporative and self-healing, meaning it won't crack or dry out, leaving parts unprotected. Lanoguard typically lasts up to a year, so be sure to apply yearly to your vehicles or machinery to keep them in optimal condition. You can apply more often if you wish for an even stronger protection. I hope this video has helped you to use Lanoguard to protect the vehicle you love. Please do get in touch if you have any more questions. We have a full set of FAQs on our website.